In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at sidechain compression and how this process works. To create this effect, we'll use a different input signal for the compressor. You can use any signal that you want, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll use a kick sample. Feel free to copy this patch. I use it in my productions. I really like it. It's a pad. It's got 3 oscillators, slightly detuned. Make sure the analog knob is around 12 o'clock. Little bit of resonance, 24 dB fat filter. Yeah, I hope you like it. And this is how it sounds. Cool, so let's record some notes. Now let's just quantize those notes. Give me just a second. Full velocity. Pull them a little bit and start at the same time. Great. A little bit of filtering. Yeah, I really like this sound. Great, so now let's go to our EXS24 and we're gonna use the Roland TR909 kit. Let's turn down the sustain and pull up the decay around half. Great, let's go to piano roll and let's search for a kick sample. That sounds good. Okay. Let me draw some notes. Yeah, this one. Shorten this little guy right here. Put one on every beat. Quantize them. Great. Okay, awesome. Let's copy them and merge them. Great. Now we have our signal for our sidechain. Remember that the kick needs to hit on every beat. Okay, and let's take it out of the stereo bus and send it through a mono bus. Let's choose bus 1, already name it sidechain. Make sure there's no output for this bus. We don't need to hear the signal. We just need the signal to go through that bus, but we don't actually need to hear it. You can see the signals in the bus, but we're not listening to it. That's great. That's how it's supposed to be. Let's name the sidechain. Okay, great. Let's go to our ES2 track and load up the compressor. And notice there's this window that says sidechain right there. And let's choose bus 1 sidechain. Great. So platinum class AU, I like that. Set the ratio around 4.1. Threshold all the way up. I'm just setting it up right now so you can see that the compressor is going to be activated by the signal that's on bus 1, but at first we're not going to listen to the effect. We're just actually going to see how the signal from the sidechain is entering through the bus inside the compressor and making it react. We're going to see that in the gain reduction screen. After that, I'm going to lower the threshold and we're going to start hearing the ducking effect. So let's hit play. And set the threshold down. Now we can hear the ducking effect. Hear how it's pumping. Let's just mess around a little bit with the release, attack, and threshold settings so that we can get the desired effect. Let's give it a game. And you can play around with the filter settings. And basically that's it. That's how you make the ducking effect with the sidechain compression and Logic Pro. Remember that you can keep changing the settings. Maybe let's try 7.1. See how that sounds. It's a little bit more aggressive, and you can keep playing around with the settings. So that's basically it, how to apply the ducking effect with the sidechain compression technique. I hope you guys like this tutorial and use it in your future productions. Check out my Facebook page. I'll be uploading more music production tutorials. Hope you guys have fun. See you later. Ciao.